The main goal of the frontal lift technique is to decompress and balance the frontal bone, allowing it to move freely and easing tightness in the coronal suture, which is the joint between the front and the top parts of the skull. For this technique, the client will be in supine, and the therapist is seated at the head of the table with both forearms resting. The therapist places the hypothenar eminences, the palms of the hands, on the lateral outer angles of the frontal bones. The fingers are interlaced above the metopic suture, and then the therapist provides a gentle medial compression, so compressing your hands together, to disengage the frontal bone from the parietals. While maintaining this compression, the therapist applies a gentle upward and slightly backward traction until a release is felt. This position is held until the frontal bone moves into external rotation, more expansion. After you complete the technique, the therapist gently releases the head, and you can reassess to see how effective the technique was. This technique helps with relieving forehead and eye tension. It can ease sinus pressure or headaches and improve cranial balance.